we will show you how to correctly install a magnetic door contact onto single and double doors of a premium server RSF rack. We will also focus on identifying the right pair of conductors to connect to RAMOS access control and monitoring system. We will need multimeter, wire cutters, small flat screwdriver, knife, 3mm hex key, and 8mm open-end wrench. First, use a knife to cut an opening for the cable. Assemble a detection block and fasten it to the bracket using small screws and the flat screwdriver. Assemble a second block by placing a magnetic cylinder into it. Do not use any spacers. Stick double-sided adhesive tape onto the block. Screw the detection block on the top portion of the rack frame. Then stick the block with the magnet onto the door so that it lies opposite the detection block. Now we will demonstrate how to install a magnetic door contact onto double-leaf doors. To do this, we will need double-sided tape and adhesive cable cleats that are not included in the pack. Cut an opening for the cable. Assemble the detection block and stick the double-sided tape on the back of it. Take the other block, place the magnetic cylinder into it, add spacers, and paste the double-sided tape on the back of the block. Find a suitable place for mounting the contact in the upper part of the door. Take the magnet block and paste it between the connecting rod and the door frame. Paste the detection block onto the door frame on the other leaf so that it is opposite the magnet block. Now affix the adhesive cleats for easier cable management. Finally, let's take a look at how to identify the correct pair of door contact conductors for connecting to RAMOS access control and monitoring system. Move the magnetic block out of range of the detection block. Take the end of the cable and spread out the conductors in 4 directions for clarity. Remove the insulation. Identify the detection circuit by measuring opposing wires. We're looking for the pair that does not cause the multimeter to beep. Remove the other pair which beeps. Now test the detection circuit by measuring the conductors and placing the magnetic block next to the detection block. The measuring device should start beeping when the magnet comes close to the detection block.